everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have, this is the PZP, but what this thing is, I already opened the box. I'll show you right here. This is it here, and I've been using it because it was necessary. It is a trickle charger for 24 volt. Nobody has a 24 volt trickle charger. You can always find the 12 volt ones everywhere, but not for 24 volt. And we got a Caterpillar and other big equipment that uses 24 volt. Could never find anything anywhere, but check this one out. This is here. This is the PZP battery charger, and it can do both. It can do 12 and 24 volt, so it's good. So you got both in there, and it's got the little clippers on it and everything like that. Plugs into a standard outlet with the 110 2-prong outlet, so you got that going for you, and you can totally keep your Caterpillar or other big equipment battery nice and charged. So it's really cool. Here's some information on the top of it. Sorry it's dirty because we've been using this one a lot in just a few days, so it is very cool. So this is what it looks like here. With the box on it again, and that's the information if you need that. But if you have a 24 volt battery and need some trickle charging or anything with that, this is pretty much your only option, I think, at this point. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.